guys, today I want to introduce you to buying this really awesome dog pet cooling mat. It's really nice because it is a gel cooling mat. You don't have to worry about refrigerating it. You don't have to plug it in to cool it down. My dogs love this cooling mat because it is really nice for them to run into after they come in from a really hot day. I would recommend this to anyone who's looking for something to cool off their pets. It is a nice gel. It's made out of a non-toxic material. It's really comfortable for them to just lay on top of. It folds right up so it's easy to store away. We love this for our pets, and I would recommend it to anyone looking for something that will cool off your animals. Okay, so I wanted to show you really quick up close. This is the cooling mat. It has the nice creases. Just go ahead, fold it up, and you're ready to stow it away. And when you're ready to use it again, just throw it out like that. Put it anywhere in your home that you would like, or if you go camping. It's the perfect little cooling mat, and I would recommend this again.